Hey Anna, the
Oh,
Filipina
hi.
Village girl. This is your
Hello.
new channel. I'm really
Yes,
sorry
this is my
for
new
what
channel.
happened to your old channel, Anna. And nice meeting you.
Yeah,
And thank you for
nice
being
meeting.
part of, being part of this question and answer portion on my YouTube channel. Yeah. So recently, I was so excited to interview a Filipina YouTuber who is dating a foreign subscribers. And yeah, for
Oh, yeah.
today, we have here Anna, the Filipina village girl, and we want to know your love story, how it started, and what are the challenges being a public figure, and you are a YouTuber and you're dating a foreign subscriber. So what are the challenges? And also, can you please introduce yourself first to us? Ayan. Before anything
Okay.
else.
Yeah, okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Anna, the Filipina village girl. I'm from Leyte, and yeah, I am engaged with a foreigner who is my subscriber, one of my subscribers. So,
Congratulations,
for
you're
me, for
free.
us, thank you. For me, we don't have any challenges because he is very supportive. But the thing is, he doesn't want to be on my video. But sometimes I force him to be in my video. I just need to ask the permission. But he is a very understanding. Very understanding. That's what I love him.
Yeah.
Sorry, my channel is
Hopefully,
my
our this
channel.
interview is great. I'm really sorry.
Yeah.
Maybe because of your internet. Which ano nga pa,
Yeah.
where are you located here in the Philippines?
I am here in Leyte, Tacloban. I am 1 hour away from Tacloban City.
Ah, I see, Anna. So you're living in the village,
Yeah, I'm living
and
here
I
in the
saw all your
village.
videos. It's all about farming. So that's basically the way you live doing farming.
Yes.
Do you have
Sorry.
what are the future plans? Can you share, if you don't mind, can you
Oh,
share future plans, or do you
actually,
plan
we
to
both
live
already
in,
planned.
yeah?
Yeah. He's planning to get me here. Actually, he already what they call it,
Oh, nice.
petition me already. Yeah, we are already started with our papers, so we're praying that it would be smooth papers. We don't have any problems since we both never
Nice.
engage. I mean, never been married, and we don't have any kids as well. So we're praying for good and for what they call it, for good results for all those papers. I can't tell it right now, but yeah, we just started on doing such paper.
Good luck. Good luck to your future
Thank
plans,
you.
and I'm hoping for
Yeah.
all the best with you both. And how long is the relationship already? How
Well, we
long
just
you've
started.
been?
We just started. Actually, we just celebrated our 7 months this month.
Oh, when did you meet? I saw your video. You already meet already.
We met in Tacloban. I picked him up at the airport. That's our first meeting, and it's actually
When?
his first time here in the Philippines. I picked him up at the airport. We met on here on YouTube. I mean YouTube. Yeah, we met on YouTube, and
I
then
mean, when is that? When
oh,
did it happen?
November 10. He came here
Oh,
Last year. Last year.
sana all. So, okay, for our last question, have you encountered any criticisms or negative comments
Oh,
from followers regarding your relationship with your foreign subscribers?
it's actually not a followers. It's a person. Personally, I receive a criticism by our fellow Filipina saying this word. Isa na namang Filipina ang nakaahon sa kahirapan because of the foreigner. You know what? I was
Yeah.
before when I haven't I don't have a foreigner yet. I was just like I feel hurt when I heard those Filipina beings told like that, and then when it happens to me it's more hurt, you know. It's like wow, so that's what they think. If a Filipino with foreigner, they think that we are going to be rich already like that. So
Yeah.
yeah, I received that criticism already, you know. And it's crazy, and it's not good to hear the word, you know.
Yeah. So, how do you handle it? So, how do you handle it?
um
Did you
I
stay
get
silent?
upset that time. Yeah, I got upset, but I did not confront her because she is older than me, you know. And then, you know, if you just step on their level, it would be a big trouble for you, you know. So I just ignore them.
Um, Nice to know that. Yeah, yeah. Commonly here in the Philippines, if you're dating a foreigner, you're gonna always receive a lot of judgment. Like,
Yes, exactly.
yeah, they think that you're gonna be rich instant if you have a
And that's what
foreigner.
that's a mentality. That's what they call it. Crab mentality of some Filipino, you know, that when they saw a Filipina with dating with a foreigner, they think that this we're gonna be rich, and then when we saw us dating with an older one, they would say, "Oh, you just love that guy because of the money," like that, you know. It's just crazy thing, you know. It's so it's I
Okay,
was just
one
like,
more thing,
okay.
Anna, because there's a lot of Filipina YouTubers now that in a long distance relationship with their foreign subscribers. What would you advise to them? How do you hand
Com-
parang how did the relationship, long distance relationship works?
Communication. That's the number one thing. Communication, always connect with your partner. Um I'm not into a tampo thing, you know. I'm not tampo or something. I don't know that tampo. Because my partner and I we never had an argument yet because
Wow.
of something, you know, because I understand that he is working still. So I know he's busy, and then we talk like on his when he woke up in the morning, and then before he goes to bed, and he also talk to me when I woke up in the morning before I and then before I go to bed. So communication and understanding also, connect with your partner. Never think that actually if you are in the right person, you don't think like this person is cheating on you or something, but you are confident because you will know on yourself that this person is into you, you know, because you really make sure that you know where they are. So that's my partner. He always inform me wherever he goes. So yeah, communication is really really number one thing for me.
Wow, nice.
So yeah, that's what.
Communication.
Yes,
Thank you,
communicate,
Anna, for
connect with
saying
your
that.
partner, understanding,
Yeah. So, nice to hear that,
understanding.
Anna. So, ulitin ulit natin yung question. I-edit ko na lang to. Ulitin natin yung question kasi kanina ang hina ng internet. So, this is, recently, this question really bothered me because someone, my subscriber or one of my subscriber want me to ask this question to someone, Filipina YouTuber also. So is it true that a foreign subscriber should give super chats or gifts to caught your attention as a Filipina YouTuber? What is your thoughts about it?
Well, as what I have said, it's not necessary. But if it's there, when you are in live stream, actually, you will really receive a super chats for those genuinely people that they
Yeah.
give to help you. You know. So for me, but it's for me, it's not necessary to to these people to give that super chat to in order for them to be notified or ang tawag nito mapansin.
Yeah.
What is in English? Mapansin, you know? So it's not.
Yeah.
It's actually I appreciate. I actually appreciate those people who send their super chats, you know how big it is for us, small YouTuber, you know. It's really help. I'm grateful for
So
them, you know. So,
what ano,
anay,
how did he caught your attention? How did he caught
there
your
is
attention?
someone over here.
It's okay.
Oh, my fiance.
Yeah, your fiance.
How how did how did he caught my attention?
Yeah. How did he caught your attention?
He just sent me a message privately, you know. He doesn't really into my live stream like this. He just
Yeah.
messaged me and then we get to know each other. No, go there. Talia, no. I'm doing work here. This is my niece. I'm doing work here. Don't go in my camera, okay?
Yeah. So
This is my
so
niece.
he gave you email and then the connection started. So it's not about the money or super
Yeah.
chat. But well, I
No.
guess as a Filipina YouTuber, we really appreciate those people or those foreign subscribers that are giving us money.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
it
Yep.
is
If
but
every one
yeah,
of you guys,
maybe because of super chat and gifts, they're gonna caught our attention.
right.
But that doesn't mean that
Check.
we're gonna have in a relationship or we're gonna go in a relationship because of that, because of money and gifts, right?
Oh, you mean like if those people who send super chat you think that we are going to in a
Yeah.
relationship to these people who send super chats because of their money? No, it's not like that. Um we truly appreciate, we truly especially me, I'm truly really grateful for those people who send me super chats because I buy the land, I buy the house already from that YouTube, you know. So I
Wow.
was really careful. I mean, I was really thankful and I was really grateful for those people who helped me on on that channel that was being took down by YT.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry to hear that, Anna.
Yeah.
I hope you can get it back. I guess there's a way how to get it back.
I did appeal. I do the appeal, but um, yeah, it's still not. They don't
It's still
really
processing.
want me to be.
Still processing, or you get an email back.
So I already sent two appeal. The first one they respond me, but the second that two email they did not
Yeah, you
respond
don't have
yet.
to lose hope. You don't have to lose hope. Maybe if you're the second time, let's pray for you, Anna, that they're gonna approve it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
anyway,
Hopefully.
Anna, thank you for
Thank you so much, Filipina
allowing me to
mates.
be part of my channel. So anyway, I am Filipina Matets
It's
TV,
my
and
pleasure. Thank you so much.
yeah, I am hoping that your channel will, continue to grow. And I know that this is one of your source of income. So I'm really sorry to hear that your
Yeah,
first channel, you know,
exactly.
happened what happened to your first channel. But yeah, we are hoping for the best to your second channel. And guys, please support Anna, the Filipina Village Girl. I'm gonna put her link on the description box so that you can subscribe to her new channel, and please do support her channel, her journey again as a Filipina YouTuber. And again, good luck to your love life with your foreign subscriber. We're hoping all the best for both of
Thank you.
you. And thank you so much
And
again,
you too.
Anna. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. And see
Yes.
you around, Anna. See you
Thank you
guys.
so much. Thank you so much,
Bye,
Filipino
Anna.
mates. Thank you.
Thank you
Bye.
again. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.